Hey guys, welcome back to the not study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss it if your iPhone apps crashing or not opening or not working properly after iOS 18 update. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just click here on settings, and first of all guys, you may make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, here the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then guys, you may scroll it down, and here is the option of general. So you may click here and click on software update, and here is the option of beta updates. So you may turn off beta updates, and you may update your iPhone or iPad to the latest or official iOS 18 version. Then guys, you may go back and you may scroll it down, and here the option of iPhone storage. So you may click here and you will make sure that you have enough storage or space, because if you have not enough space, then guys, you may face a problem that your apps will not be work properly. So if you have not enough space, then guys, you may uninstall or delete or offload some apps which you may not require or which you are not using. So let's say guys, for example, if you have not enough space, and for example PUBG Mobile, this may have 20 GB space, so you may delete this and your 20 GB space will be free. So if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then guys, you may scroll it down, and here is the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset, and click on reset all settings. And if by resetting your all settings, if your problem not fixed, then guys, you may create the backup of your iPhone, and then you may click here on erase all content and settings, and you may reset your iPhone, and then guys, you may check your problem will be fixed and your iPhone will be work properly. So if your problem is still not fixed and your iPhone will not work properly by all these steps, then guys, you may connect your laptop to your iPhone, and guys, you may download iTunes or 3U tools, and then guys, you may downgrade your iPhone to older iOS 17 version or older version, and you may check your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.